Okay, so if you're a cat parent that doesn't really want your cat to go outside a ton, but you still want them to be able to play and get the exercise that they need, I found the perfect toy for you. Now, this was given to me from the Potaroma store, and it is so fun. It's an interactive toy. You see, I'm just turning it on. I'm going to throw it in the bag and then just sit and let your cat play. Now, it's really cool because it's motion activated. It has a light that blinks that's going to draw the kitty in, and then once it's kind of close, it's going to move, and I swear this is just going to capture your cat's attention. My cat was going crazy over this. Now, I have 3 cats. This one right here, the golden one, he loves to play, but my other 2 are very picky. So this moving ball was quite the sight to see for them because they normally don't play. Here is my little girl playing. And then my big gray one is an adult, and he loves to play with it as well. Now, this is going to really activate their hide and seek like instinct. It's so cute because they actually lift it up looking for it under here. And they had a lot of fun playing with it. They got a lot of exercise. And once you're done, once playtime is over, just take it out, press the power button, and fold it up until the next time you're ready to play. This was easy to set up. The cats went crazy, and then I put it up for the next time. If you're looking for a really interactive, fast rolling ball play mat, this is perfect for you. Check out the Potaroma store.